Last month I made $2,000 selling video edits I didn't create manually. I used Runway AI to generate them in minutes. And the wildest part? My clients had no idea they weren't hand-edited in Adobe Premiere. I'm showing you exactly how I did it and why this is one of the fastest ways to earn on Upwork right now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Runway AI to build a video editing service on Upwork and start earning $500 to $2,000 per month. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3-step process to set up Runway, how to create sample videos that impress clients, and the exact pricing strategy that got me my first high-paying gigs. And stick around, the pricing hack I reveal at minute 8 is the one most freelancers completely miss. First, let's talk about why Runway AI matters. Traditional video editing requires learning Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, and that takes months. Runway AI does the heavy lifting for you. You can generate video cuts, add effects, upscale footage, and even use AI to remove backgrounds in seconds. The cost is $12 a month for the basic plan, which gives you 135 credits, enough for 15 to 20 edited videos depending on length. The real money move? You're billing clients $200 to $500 per edit while spending maybe 10 minutes per project on Runway. One common mistake: don't just upload raw client footage and hit auto-edit. That's lazy, and clients notice. Instead, use Runway to enhance what's already good. Add color grading, cut to music, remove dead air. That takes 15 minutes and looks professional. Now let's set up your Runway account. Go to runway.com and sign up. It's free to start. Spend your first $12 to buy 135 credits. Next, watch 3 to 5 tutorials on the Runway YouTube channel, specifically their video-to-video and motion brush features. These are the 2 tools that will make your edits look client-ready. Here's the key: create 5 sample videos before you land any clients. Pick trending content, maybe short-form clips, YouTube Shorts style, or product demos. Edit them with Runway, export them in 4K if possible, and upload them to a portfolio site like Behance or create a simple landing page on Notion. This portfolio is your proof of work. When a client asks, "Have you done this before?" you can show them exactly what you can do. One mistake to avoid: don't use Runway's completely AI-generated videos as samples. Clients want to see Runway enhancing real footage, not replacing it. Now the Upwork side. Your profile needs to say exactly what you do: AI-enhanced video editing, fast turnaround, 50 cents per second. That's your rate. A 60-second video costs $30, a 5-minute video costs $150. Create a service title that's specific: professional video editing with AI enhancement, 48-hour turnaround, beats video editing every single time. Write a profile bio that mentions Runway AI specifically. Clients searching for AI video editing Upwork will find you. Upload your 5 sample videos to your portfolio. Then, and this is critical, apply for 15 to 20 jobs in your first week. Don't bid too low. I started at $150 for a 60-second edit and got 0 responses. I raised it to $250, and suddenly I had 3 offers. Clients assume low price means low quality. One mistake: don't say "I use AI," say "AI-enhanced editing" or "AI-assisted production." Clients like the outcome, not necessarily the tool. We're halfway through, and the next part is the one I wish I'd known about my first month. Most freelancers waste time on $100 jobs. Instead, focus on clients who are already running ad campaigns, YouTube channels, or product businesses. These clients will gladly pay $500 for a 2-minute video because they know it'll make them sales. Look for job postings that mention YouTube, product demo, testimonial, or TikTok series. These are your high-ticket clients. When you bid, don't just copy-paste. Right, I noticed you're launching a TikTok series. I can deliver 10 15-second clips, fully edited and optimized, in 5 days for $450. Here are 3 samples of similar work. This specificity wins contracts. After my first 3 $250 jobs, I landed a client doing product demos who paid me $800 for a month of edits. That's when I hit $2,000. Here's how to scale to $2,000 per month. After you land 5 clients at $300 to $500 each, you're at $1,500 to $2,500 monthly. But don't stop there. Start offering packages, 10 edits per month for $1,200 instead of one-off projects. This locks in recurring income. Also, use Runway's batch processing. You can process multiple videos at once, which saves credits. I was wasting 20% of my credits by not batching. Switch to that, and suddenly your profit margin jumps from 70% to 85%. The second scaling move, raise your rates every quarter. After 3 months at $300, raise to $400. Clients who value you will pay it. One critical mistake, don't overcommit on turnaround time. I promised 24-hour delivery initially and burned out. Now it's 48 to 72 hours, and clients are happier because I'm not rushing. Here's what you need to do this week: set up your Runway account, create 3 sample videos, and build your Upwork profile. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect time, start bidding on jobs by Friday. The first method, using Runway to edit short-form clips for content creators, is your quickest win. The second, landing product demo or testimonial clients, is your path to $1,000 plus per month. The third, switching to retainer packages, is how you hit $2,000 without burning out. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and I might feature your progress in next week's video. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I drop a new AI income method every single week, and next week I'm showing you how to use Loom and Make.com to automate video feedback for agencies and charge $3,000 per month. You don't want to miss that one.